What's up, everybody? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. Yes, I broke down and I had to buy the watch as well. Now, as you guys know, I've been a long-time Samsung user. The last time that I personally had an iPhone was the 3GS, and I've never had an Apple Watch. I also have the Galaxy Watch to go with my Samsung Galaxy S10. So since switching to the iPhone, I kind of got sucked into the Apple ecosystem, and now I'm going to go ahead and try the Apple Watch. So, I mean, it looks pretty cool from what I've seen and played around with. I'm pretty excited. I am loving the iPhone right now. It does a lot of cool things that makes it more seamless. The only thing I don't like is iTunes, but that's another story. So we're going to go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch and see what it's like inside. It's kind of like unwrapping a present. Love the presentation. Okay, so here are your bands. Let's see what you get inside. It's got a little tab. Shows you how to work the watch bands, put them on, take them on and off, put them on. There's your bands. It's pretty nice. Guess it comes in two sizes here. There's a small and a larger one. They feel nice and smooth. Very nice and smooth. It's that smooth rubbery feeling. It's not very grippy. Very nice. And here's the other side. I did get the 44mm version. Okay, guys, so here we are, the main event. Got some paperwork. Put that aside. You got your standard Apple charger. Comes with like every iPhone for the past 10 years. Here's your charger. And then here is the watch. Comes in like a nice little protective fabric case. That's pretty cool. It's nice and smooth. Slide that out. I got the aluminum space gray, just like my iPhone. 44mm. Very nice. Okay, so let's put on the strap. Okay, very nice. I like the way that this feels. Feels pretty cool. Let's turn it on. So I got just the Wi-Fi version only. So it's magnetic for the charger. Pretty nice. Nice smooth glass. I like the back. And the crown. Very easy to move. It's like effortless. Okay. What? There we go. Okay, Apple Watch. So I gotta put my phone. Okay, so you can see Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch? Yes. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna have to, looks like we're gonna have to scan the Apple Watch. Okay, it's paired. Set up Apple Watch. On the left. Okay, Apple Watch workouts uses your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Let's see. Disable route tracking for now. Watch analytics. Help Apple improve their products and services. Don't share. Shared settings. Okay. Location. Find my iPhone. Siri analytics. Okay. Apple Watch passcode. Don't add a passcode for now. Let's see. Activity. Install updates manually. SOS, clock faces. Install available apps. Okay. Apple Watch basics. Display, digital crown, side button. And I guess it does that while it's updating or syncing your apps. So let's go ahead and do the digital crown. Press to return to the watch face. Press and hold to talk to Siri. Turn to scroll, zoom, or adjust. So done. So we'll go to display. Tap to select, swipe to scroll and move. Press firmly for more options to change the watch face. Side button. Press to show the dock. Double click for Apple Pay. That's another cool thing. So I'm used to using Samsung Pay on my watch, and this has Apple Pay, and you can use your watch instead of your phone, which is pretty cool. All right. Press and hold for medical ID, emergency SOS, and power. Double click for Apple Pay. Okay, just like the phone. Okay. All right, that's it for now. It's almost done. All right. Okay, so here it looks like we have the watch faces. And you can download some more if you want. Some pretty cool watch faces. Okay, let's go back to my watch. Okay, notifications. Indicator. When this is on, notification details will only appear when you tap on the alert. App layout. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay. The dock. Recents. Probably maybe do your favorites. Choose the apps you want to appear in the dock and how they are ordered. Okay. Ooh, it vibrated a little bit. It was weird. Okay. So there's the watch face. Favorites. All right, the general. Software update. Let's see if there's an update. It's all up to date. 6.0. Let's see here. Left wrist. Okay. Enable dictation. Enable handoff. Wake screen. Wake screen on wrist raise. Yes. No. Auto launch audio. No. On tap. Choose how long the Apple Watch display stays on when you tap it to wake. On-screen wake up. Show last app. Okay. Nightstand mode. Enable screenshots. Workout power saving mode. Okay. Display and brightness. Always on. So this has an always on display. I do not want it on all the time. Okay. So that's how you turn that off. Accessibility. Let's see here. Chimes. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Siri. Hey, no. We'll turn Hey Siri off. Raise to speak. No. Press digital crown. Privacy. Fitness tracking. Okay, we'll keep that on. Heart rate. No, turn that off. So let's go and take a look at the watch. All right. So tap and hold to change. All these watch faces. Oh, there's the Mickey one. I'm kind of partial to that one. I just like the way that it looks. Yeah. Cool. Man, there's a lot of watch faces. That's cool. I like that. All right. So let's go here. Let's swipe down. Here we have some notifications. Raise to speak. Just bring Apple Watch close to your mouth and make your request. Well, actually, that's pretty cool. I might turn that back on and see the messages here. All right, you can send a voice, or you can use your voice to send a text. You can send a smiley. You can make like a little picture, or it seems like some other memes or something, like some GIFs, or pick some pre-done text. That's pretty cool. To go back, set up noise notifications. Apple Watch can check surround levels nearby, notify you when they might affect your hearing. This uses the microphone but does not record. Okay, no. I pretty much know one thing. So if you want to get rid of it, you can just swipe left. Okay. All right. Let's go back. What did it say? Okay, here's all of your apps. And then when you kind of have one in the middle, you can scroll into it with the crown. Go back. That's pretty neat. Heart rate sensor. Okay, so we'll go and hit the home button, or the power button, and I guess it shows like your recents. All apps. And we'll double press. That's for Apple Pay. What's today's weather like?
Here's the weather today.
That's super cool. Very neat. I like it. I like the little vibration it gives when you scroll the crown. I've heard a lot about this EKG thing, so let's go ahead and put it on and try it out. Okay, man, there's a lot of things to go to. So you go into your health app on your iPhone, you go into browse, you go to heart, you go to ECG, set up Ecg app. Okay, that's fine. I just want to try it. Okay, so now that that's set up, right? Okay. So here we go. So you want to hold your finger on the crown. Wait 30 seconds. Sinus rhythm. 74 beats per minute, average. Nice. Very cool. And then it shows your ECG here on your phone. That's pretty nice. I like that. I wanted to test out the calls and stuff. I keep swiping like I'm on the Galaxy Watch.
T-Mobile. Hi, Anthony. We're connecting you to your team of experts. If you would rather use our automated system, press 1.
It's pretty loud.
Looks like there's a wait. So keep your place in line and get a call back on this number in about 5 minutes. Press 1 to receive a call back, or stay on the line and your team of experts will be with you shortly.
Very cool. I like that. That is neat. Okay. Voicemails. All right. So that's pretty much it for my unboxing, guys. I probably will do another video or two about my experiences, everything that I've come across coming from a Samsung pretty much only device. This is the first time I've used the Apple Watch or had one. So very nice. I'm impressed so far. So If you guys haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you subscribe for some more videos. Also, I want to let you know I am doing a giveaway for an iPhone 11. If you guys are interested in entering to win that, I will be putting a link to the video in the description below. All you need to do is click on it, follow the instructions, and you're entered in to win the iPhone 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.